hiking, climbing. What else can people do?
And they can catch some fish.
Oh, catch some fish. Good.
And also sailing on the sea.
Sailing on the sea. Great. That's 5 activities. Okay. So this is in Brazil. Rio de Janeiro is a city in Brazil. Do you know where Brazil is?
Yes, Brazil is in
which continent?
South Africa.
South Africa. South Africa?
South America.
America, yes. South Africa is a country, and South America is a continent. Continent. Right, that's right. On this page 4, elements of great writing. What is a paragraph? Can you read the definition here? Bryce.
Okay. A paragraph is a group of sentences. It has a main idea and sentences that support the idea. Paragraphs help writers organize their ideas when writing longer texts, such as essays and research papers. Learning to write a paragraph is an important academic skill.
Academic skill.
Academic.
Repeat it. Academic for 3 times. Academic.
Academic.
3 times.
Academic.
Right, academic. Now, analyzing a paragraph. Look at the map and read the information. Here's a map. Discuss questions with me. Then read the paragraph and answer the questions that follow. Okay, look at the map. Answer the first question. Where are Brazil and Chile?
Brazil is in the east part of South America.
Yes, and Chile is?
And Chile is in the south part of South America.
South part of South America. Yes, it's in the south, and also it's in the west, southwest. Right? Southwest.
Yes.
Southwest part of South America. And both of them are in South America.
Yes.
Okay, so which country has more people?
Brazil has more people.
Brazil has more people. What is the population in Brazil?
Brazil's population is
Tell me the number in English.
Brazil is bigger.
Brazil is bigger. What is the official language in Brazil?
And Brazil's official language is Portuguese.
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 Read after me. Portuguese.
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 Portuguese. 葡萄牙语. What is the official language in Chile?
The official language in Chile is Spanish.
Spanish. Okay, that's about Brazil and Chile. What about Argentina? What kind of language do people speak in Argentina? Do you know?
No.
Okay, tell you something. In South America, only Brazilian people speak Portuguese. The rest of South America, they speak Spanish. So people in Peru speak Spanish. People in Argentina speak Spanish. People in Colombia or Venezuela, they all speak Spanish. Right? Well, Brazil is the biggest country in South America.
Brazil is obvious bigger than Chile.
Brazilian is obvious bigger than Chile.
It is 1.4 billion.
Yes, that's right. It's 1.4 billion. 1 billion 是10亿14亿就是 1.4 billion. You're correct. Last one. What
differ in geography, population, and language? The most obvious difference is in geography. As the map shows, Brazil is much larger than Chile. In fact, Brazil takes up almost half of South America. In contrast, Chile is a thin country along the Pacific Ocean. It is only 160 miles wide. These two countries also have very different populations. Brazil is home to almost 200 million people, while only about 17 million people live in Chile. Finally, these two countries have different national languages. Like most countries in South America, the majority of people in Chile speak Spanish. However, in Brazil, most people speak Portuguese. These countries are near each other. They are clearly different in several important ways.
Okay, only one word. Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Like Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, Portuguese. Okay. Which three details does this paragraph discuss?
This paragraph discusses that Brazil is much bigger than Chile, and Brazil's population is also bigger than Chile, and they also have different languages.
Three details. So we only need to mention about the names. Like three details. What three details are there?
Geography.
Right. Geography,
Population,
and language. So, geography, population, and language about what? Of
difference between Brazil and Chile.
Yes, we say this paragraph discusses the differences between the differences of geography, population, and the language between Brazil and Chile. Say it one more time.
This paragraph discusses the difference of geography, population, and the language between Brazil and Chile.
Very good. Very good. Next question. In your own words, what is the most important difference between Brazil and Chile? Begin with this.
The most important difference between Brazil and Chile is their
Think.
their space.
Space, you mean geography? 地理,
yes.
Location. Think again. The most important difference. This paragraph talks about the three things. They talk about geography, which means location. This is a location, right? And they talks about population. They have different population. Then they talks about the language. So, the most important difference, in your opinion, what is the most important difference?
The most important difference between Brazil and Chile is their language. Official language.
Yes, it's their official language. Why? Why is language the most important difference?
Because I think the official language is the thing or the language we say them all day in a country.
Because different language means different culture, right? Like,
yes.
We are Chinese. We speak Chinese. Like people in Brazil, they speak Portuguese. Like if only I can speak Portuguese, I could communicate with them. Or both of us speak good English. So different language means different culture. So culture is the most important thing. So we have different life, like different food, different music, different movie, different politics. That's why
yes.
Language is the most important thing.
Are no one left in the refrigerator.
However, there is no one left in the refrigerator. I'll just type fridge. There is. Remember to say there is no one left in the fridge. Read the sentence one more time. I want to
eat an ice cream. However, there is no one left in the fridge.
You can say refrigerator, you can say fridge, or you can say freezer. Freezer is where you put the ice cream. So what kind of flavor of ice cream do you like? Do you have a favorite flavor for the ice cream?
I like strawberry flavor best.
Flavor. That's the word. Flavor. Flavor. I think I like coffee flavor. Coffee is my favorite flavor. Okay, next page. So far, so good. Grammar, simple present for general facts. This part is quite easy, I think, for you. Use a simple present to explain something that is a general fact. 这个叫什么时态呢? Simple present.
一般现在时.
Very good. Read the two examples.
People in Chile speak Spanish. These two countries differ in population.
Population. Now make one sentence of your own. Use simple present.
He usually goes to school at 7:45.
Oh, 7:45. Are you talking about yourself?
No, I go to school at 7:50.
7:50. That's
Or
okay.
or maybe 7:30.
Oh, 7:30. Okay, quite early, but quite normal as a primary school student. Now, use the base form of the verb for I, you, we, and z. So for I, you, we, z, Brazilians, you use speak. No need to add s. For the third person nouns, third person 第三人称单数 he, she, it, or a Brazilian, you add s to the verb. Speaks Portuguese. And when a verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add es. So try is a verb that ends with y. Can you think of another verb that ends with y? Think of another verb. End with y. Think about play.
Lie.
Lie. Oh. L Y?
No.
No. Think about the plane or the bird. Fly. Fly will become flies. The plane flies in the sky. Right? Fly ends with y. Lie is not. Lie ends in with e. Lie in bed. When a verb ends in ch, sh, double s, x, or double z, add es. Watches, washes, misses. Okay, think of one more word that needs to add es. Besides watch, wash, miss. Here. Okay. And answer the questions. What are the 7 different verbs in paragraph 1.1? Now you're going to use your pen and circle the 7 words out. 7 verbs. Use your pen.
Differ.
Differ is one word.
Takes up.
Sorry. Takes up, take up.
Take. Have. Speak. Live. Are. Is.
Correct. Why are these verbs in the simple present tense?
Because in this paragraph, it is telling some facts.
In this paragraph, it talks about some facts, or it explains something that is a general fact. General fact. It tells, or it explains. Good. Activity 3, write sentences. This is going to be one of your homework. Think of a country that you know well. Write 5 sentences comparing it with the United States or another country. Okay, write about it. Now, think, which country do you want to write? Do you have an idea now? Compare a country with US. Okay. So we can have a look at the words. What does at least mean?
At least means minimum number or amount required.
At least. Make a sentence with at least. Price.
It takes at least 15 minutes to finish this model plane.
Oh, to finish the model plane. Very cool, a model plane. Boil. What does boil mean?
Boil means to cook in water at 100
degrees Celsius. You can see degrees Celsius. 摄氏度. So in China we use Celsius. In order for the water to boil, it needs 100 degrees Celsius. What does ingredient mean?
Ingredient means a food item in a recipe.
Like in order to do a fried eggs, you need eggs. to make this
Yes.
dish. Yes, ingredient, as an ingredient. What does remove mean?
Remove means to take away.
Take away. Like, make a sentence with remove.
Mm, I'm going to remove this toy car
Oh, remove this toy car. From where?
from my living room to my bedroom.
That is not remove. That means move, not remove. Like, for example,
I'm going to remove this toy card from the living room.
from the living room. Yes, that's remove. You take something out of somewhere. Like, do not remove the wing of my model plane, please. You can say something like that. Okay, paragraph
Yes.
1.2. You're going to read this paragraph. An easy sandwich.
An easy sandwich. An egg salad sandwich is one of the easiest and the most delicious food to make for lunch. First, boil 2 eggs for 5 minutes. Take them out of the water. When they are cool, remove the shells. Put the eggs in a bowl and use a fork to break them into very small pieces. Next, add 3 tablespoons of
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise and a little salt and pepper. Mix these ingredients well. Put the egg mixture in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Finally, put the egg salad between 2 slices of bread. Following all of these steps, anyone can make this delicious sandwich.
Very good.